I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei watch to an Honor phone. First, make sure both your Huawei watch and Honor phone have sufficient battery power. Next, download and install the Huawei Health application from your phone's App Store. It's a crucial step for managing your device. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your Honor phone and grant all necessary permissions to the Huawei Health app for seamless operation. These initial preparations are key for a smooth setup process. Now let's pair your devices. Open the Huawei Health app on your Honor phone and navigate to the Devices section. Tap on Add Device and carefully select your specific Huawei watch model from the list. You will then see a pairing request appear on both your watch and phone. Confirm it on both. The connection should establish within a few moments, typically less than 30 seconds. This step links your watch and phone, enabling full functionality. Once connected, it's time to personalize your experience. Within the Huawei Health app, you can explore and customize various watch faces to match your style. Set up notifications for incoming calls, messages, and your favorite applications directly on your wrist. Configure essential health monitoring features, such as continuous heart rate tracking and detailed sleep analysis. Remember to synchronize your fitness data regularly to maintain accurate and up-to-date records of your activities and well-being. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, try restarting both your Huawei watch and Honor phone, as this often resolves minor connection glitches. If the Huawei Health app is acting up, clear its cache through your phone settings. Always ensure the Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version for optimal performance. If all else fails, simply repair the devices to establish a fresh, stable connection. These steps should help you get back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.